Hello all, in this question paper I'm going to solve question 35 from CBSE Grade 10 Standard Math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/3/2. The question goes like this. Part A of question 35. Solve the following system of equations graphically. The first equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 5. The second equation is minus 3x plus y is equal to minus 2. Let's take the first equation 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 2x upon 3. That is, I have rewritten y in terms of x. Now for this, let's generate the table of values. X is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. I take these values for x, that is 1, minus 2 and 4. For 1, we get y as 1. For minus 2, 5 plus 4, 9 by 3, which is 3. For 4, 5 minus 8 by 3, which is minus 1. Second equation is minus 3x plus y equal to minus 2. From this we get y equal to 3x minus 2. That is, I have rewritten y in terms of x. Now here also x is independent and y is a dependent variable. So let's substitute some values for x. Minus 2, 0 and 2. For minus 2, y is minus 8. For 0, it is minus 2. For 2, it is 4. With these points, I have plotted the graph already. The green line represents the first equation and the blue line represents the second equation. These two lines meet at a point. This point is 1, comma 1. So the point of intersection of these two lines is the solution. The B part of question 35, the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 11. The number obtained by interchanging its digits exceeds the given number by 9. To know the number, part 1, form the linear equations representing the above situation. Part 2, verify that the equations have a unique solution. Part 3, solve the equations to get the given two-digit number. This question mentions about two numbers. One is original number and the second one is after interchanging what we get is a new number. For original number, let's assume the ones digit as x. Let's assume the tens digit as y. So with this assumption, let's get the original number, that is 10y plus x. Here y is multiplied with 10 to make it sit in the tens place. The second number referred is the new number after interchanging the digits. That is, the ones digit is y and the tens digit is taken as x. We get the new number as 10x plus y. Here x is multiplied by 10 so as to make it sit in the tens place. There is a relationship between these two numbers mentioned in the question. The number obtained by interchanging its digits exceeds the given number by 9. That is, the new number is bigger than the original number by 9. New number is 10x plus y minus the original number is 10y plus x, which is 9. 10x plus y minus 10y minus x is 9. Dividing this equation by 9, we get x minus y is equal to 1. Let this be equation 1. And the very first sentence in the question says the sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 11. According to that, x plus y is 11. This is equation 2. This is the answer for subdivision 1. Part 2 says verify that the equations have a unique solution. Let's rewrite both the equations in ax plus by plus c equal to 0 format. So the first equation is x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. In this, a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to minus 1 and c1 is also equal to minus 1. The second equation is x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. In this, a2 is 1, b2 is plus 1, C2 is minus 11. The ratio A1 upon A2 is 1 upon 1, which is 1. The ratio B1 upon B2 is minus 1 upon plus 1, which is minus 1. Since A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2, the equations have a unique solution. Part 3. Solve the equations to get the given two-digit number. Adding these two equations, we get 2x equal to 12 and x is equal to 6. Substituting x equal to 6 in x minus y is equal to 1, y is equal to 5. Now that we got the values for x and y, the original number is 10y plus x, which is 10 times 5 plus 6, that is 56. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.